usually bolts don't fall out.
Yeah.
I think it's excessive.
With manual. So today we are going to Potomac Cars and Coffee again, and with that disappointment, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. I'm saying that my lens is pretty dirty, and with that being said, I'm still driving this. Let me roll a clip that explains why I'm still driving this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna turn this on. It's nothing really important, so I'm not gonna show you guys how it sounds because you already heard it and it doesn't sound at all. And wow, is that ice? Yeah, pretty much ice. So I'm gonna turn this on, and while I'm gonna drive to Potomac Cars and Coffee, you guys go watch that video to explain why I'm still driving this. I just got the call from Dodge that my Challenger is ready to pick up. Just made it to my car, and first of all, it's filthy. They didn't wash it, and then the exhaust is still messed up. Like, how you fix a car with not fixing the whole car? So because of that, I'm gonna go in to see like what's going on. Like, is fixing the exhaust, I'm aligning it really hard? Like, seriously? Seriously, guys, what did he say?
Usually bolts don't fall out.
Yeah.
I think it's excessive use.
Did I get the Challenger, not the first of all, a Chrysler Pacifica? Can you hear it? There's something coming up from the front.
That's coming from your car?
Yeah. Okay, they changed. What is this? It's like comes in pulses. Psych, that was not me. They pulled it back in the shop because two things: the exhaust is hanging, and there's this weird noise coming from the engine. I'm gonna play it now. Back to the office we go, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we gotta work. I have just arrived to the Cars and Coffee. Just need like go to that red light. Oh, this 50th anniversary. This mosaic. Turning around, nice. But yeah, just made it here, and then this car sounds good. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about the car? Because it's so crazy. They call me to come pick it up, and then when I go there, it's like that. So as I told you guys, I made it out here, and if you can feel or see the difference in the focal length, it's because I changed my lens to the previous lens that I was using, the 28-75 by Tamron, because I want to take some photos today as well. Let's go see what cars are out here today and just like enjoy the Cars and Coffee, and then we're gonna talk about again what happened to the Challenger. That's pretty cool. Wow. So we have the controversial new M3 and M4 look. Guys, it's huge, but I like it. It looks really good. Also, this is not a competition, so it comes with a proper manual. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see. There you go. Manual. Wow. That's crazy. Not gonna lie, guys, I actually like it. It's growing on me. I mean, it's big, but like, it looks good. Like, it's a good looking big. Damn. And the interior is just beautiful as well with manual. Holy crap. It looks good. I like it. One day. I don't know when, but definitely a day with a 993. And it's a turbo. Woo! This is the last air-cooled Porsche. So beautiful. What's up, bro?
Good morning.
Good morning. Don't get run over by a car.
Oh, it's okay. Well, it's not that expensive.
Hi, hello, man. Hi. Oh, he has some like nice red hair.
I know he's turning red. His summer coat is coming in.
Got a bunch of more cars here. There's an RS7, an F-Type, SVR, the Flat Body Hellcat, and also Moseo's 50th anniversary is back here. He definitely needs to wash this thing, but it looks good. One thing that bothers me on the Lamborghinis is if you see the engine is slightly shifted to the left instead of being straight like that in the center. that kind of bothers me. That's like because of, you know, they're trying to fit in all the transmission and stuff in there. Isn't this cool, guys? The Viper ACR. You're so beautiful. Coffee time. There were a lot of delicious things right there. Croissants, baguettes. Got the coffee. And there's this thing, guys. Oh my god, so beautiful. Let's get a startup on this, right? Well, all the cars are gone, and that means that I have to leave as well. It was a good Cars and Coffee today. It was really good. Gonna sit in the car and go back to Virginia. Then we can talk about what happened with my car, why I didn't get it, and why they had to put it back in the shop again. Because you guys saw it was going to the shop. It was crazy, right? All the cars are gone, and then that new M3 did. I like it, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. I actually like the new M3 and M4s. Those are the old ones. That's a new one. Well, I finally made it back in Virginia, and what a beautiful Cars and Coffee and great Cars and Coffee today was. A lot of cars came out. I saw that Diablo VT, and also I heard that there was a Countach, a Lamborghini Countach there, which I didn't see because I got there pretty late. I should work on not getting late more often. Like, I should get there earlier. And as you guys already know, I'm still driving a rental car because, as you watched in that video, I went to pick it up even though they called me that it's ready. It wasn't ready, and as you saw, the exhaust was still hanging, and there was a weird noise that coming out of the engine, which I had before as well. Like 2 years ago, I had the whole complaining case with FCA to try to get it fixed, try to get something out of it, and it never got to anywhere because they could not replicate my problem in every dealership that I took the car. So because they haven't really fixed the car, like especially with the noise that is coming out of the engine, I don't trust them. I don't want to go drive the car and then something else again happens. Even though like the car is under warranty, I don't feel safe driving the car. So I want to get to somewhere that I feel safe driving the car. I want them to like do something, at least do something. Tell me like, hey, we replaced this part, we replaced that part, so I know the car is at least safe to drive. Because last time they said they couldn't replicate the problem, or they don't know what's going on. My whole diff just fell on my exhaust pipe. Well, that's a little bit of a status update on the car. I hope I get the car soon and be able to drive it and feel safe about driving it. But let me know what you guys think about this whole situation. Let me know in the comment section down below. Should I go get the car? Should I just wait? Should I lawyer up? You guys tell me what to do, like what you guys think is best for me to do. And with that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. The goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers by my birthday, so make sure to share this video with your friends, with your family, and everyone else that you think would enjoy videos like this. And with that all being said, thanks again for watching. Always stay amazing, and see you guys in the next one. Peace. I gotta do this. Is that a Supra?